Alright guys, welcome back to our channel Hacks by Ebanks. I'm Sasha and this is Rory, and we're coming to you with another vlog because today seems as if it's going to be one of those days, and we think it's really cool to show you the raw footage of what we're doing on a daily basis. Well, not daily, but mostly on the weekends. So today started off with us going over to the Airbnb because our client got a last minute booking
for today,
and we had a few little things that we needed to do, so we went over this morning and got a few of those things done. We still have
not a few it's quite a bit. Assembling furniture, chairs, we need to go mount a mirror.
Yeah, we need to go back to mount the mirror.
Final cleaning, some decor items, plants. It's a lot of little things.
A lot of little things that could be overlooked, right? So we did a full run through of the apartment this morning and also identified some additional things that we need to make it run as smoothly as possible so that the guests that word right, so that the visitors stay is as smooth and seamless as possible. So we have two lists that we're working with. Rory has one, I have one, and we're going to split up and get these things done. Check-in is at 2, and so we're trying to do everything by 12.
It's 8:56 now.
We've been up from 5:30. Yeah, because Royal woke up early. It's a good thing that grandma is here this weekend, so we have some assistance with the baby, so we could have headed out early and do quite a bit because we're not able to do as much with him as we are able to do when he's not there to touch everything.
He's still a good little helper.
Right, so while we were there we got a call. Rory,
yeah, so two of my workmen just came in. So the call that we got is that the premix truck is on its way. So
to pour the slab.
So we have that to sort out this morning also. So I need to do some final preparation in terms of wetting the board, ensuring that it's moist enough to take the concrete, and just to reinforce some of the boards, ensure that everything's tight. So we saw one little area that we just needed to reinforce. So they're doing that right now, and just caulking up any holes from the pipe. So just final run through in preparation for the pouring. So the concrete truck is on its way, and also the pump truck. So I'm gonna give you some pretty
interesting.
Yeah, our building is
today is going to be a very interesting day. And I'm interested to see how they're going to pour the concrete based on where the area is. But I guess once they start, we'll be able to show you the footage and kind of walk you through what they're doing when they're doing it. So welcome to, and today is Saturday, not Sunday. Usually our Sundays are like this, but yeah, this is our Saturday. So welcome to another vlog. Hope you stick around to see what happens. This is going to be an interesting day.
Enjoy. And hopefully I can get some rest this afternoon, because I know I'm going to be very tired.
Yes guys,
and I'm hungry already.
No,
we never ever get breakfast,
so stay tuned. Current situation. That's the pump truck. So very excitement to go on today. I'm so, and look here. Come, we're going to drive. Drive, boy. Drive. Drive. Go. We got our slab poured. Ray's going to show you what it looks like shortly. He's going to wet it up. Oh, he's excited about it because that means that we can start laying the blocks for the next floor, and it will bring us closer to the finish line. So yeah,
The pouring was pretty interesting. It took longer to set up than to pour.
1, 2, 3, 4.
alright guys, so we're halfway through the day, but feel like we need to just bed and go sleep now.
I'm more than halfway through. It's 2 o'clock.
Yeah, but it just feel like we're tired. But we are basically finished with the apartment. We'll give you a little sneak peek of what it looks like now.
Yeah, we finished what? Like less than half an hour before.
Yeah, less than half an hour before the check-in time. So
Check-in was 2. By 1:41 I was still in there. Sorting out the smart lock. Out the mirror, that was done. Final cleaning. Some adjustment to do with one of the chairs. Cleaned off the fridge with a very handy little WD-40 to get off.
yeah, to get off the sticker.
Yeah, so it looks good now. Didn't like to see the big yellow sticker on it. And
Yeah, so it's ready for living.
yeah,
Well, rental, Airbnb. So we'll give you a sneak peek, and we'll definitely do a walkthrough when it's done because it's not quite finished yet. We still have some fixtures, like light fixtures and other things
little paintings,
to do.
and plants.
Right, and plants and paintings and whatever. So we're still working on it, but it's ready to be listed, so can't wait.
Already, it is listed and persons
booked.
have booked it already.
Alright guys, so we are basically at the end of the day. We got some rest, not sleep, but just sit down time, and now Rory wants to take on another project. So we're in the Hacked by a Bank studio, which is a section of our master, and well, I had an idea I have lots of ideas. But I got an idea and thought that we needed to make our bedroom feel a little bit more like a retreat. And so even though we'll be eventually moving from this room into another primary suite, I still wanted to spruce it up and make it feel as relaxing as possible and serene as possible. So we're going to do a little bit of work in here tonight. We might not get everything done, but we're going to be putting up some sconces on the wall. I'm going to be moving out this couch, so a little bit of transformation. I'm going to put back my desk in here and kind of do a little bit of work on it tonight. And as you can see, some of my slats fell off, my wood slats fell off, and I think that's because they're a little bit too heavy. We use a double-sided tape to put them up, so we have to find another solution that is easy to remove, maybe more tape. Haven't used this in a while, but we'll get to using it soon. Alright guys, so this is what our primary suite currently looks like. We have a queen bed in here which fits pretty well, and we actually have two side tables. One is here and one is over on this side. And I have a little, never mind the fan guys, it's dirty, but that's what you get in raw footage. I have a bookshelf right here with some books that Royal keeps tearing down, but need to fix that up. And of course this is the Hacked by Ebanks studio, but I want to put back my side table, and so we need probably smaller chairs for this section. We'll see how that goes. The TV's on this side, and ideally I would want to put a floating console here and then a vanity with a long mirror from probably here all the way down to the ground. In this area, this is not, we're not doing this now or tonight, but it's an idea that I have to do with the light. That's a what? Light? Light? Show me the light. Light? That's what you just said? Daddy, I said light. Where are you going? Where's the light in here? Where's the fan? Fan? Why are you trying to catch me? Where's the light? 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 Go touch it. Touch the light. Touch it. Yes. Touch the light. Light. Light! It's alive! The lights are up and the room is a mess because we took out the couch, moved back in the desk. It's a pretty small desk, so it works in this space. All right, so what I'm going to do now is to just kind of fix up in here. I don't think we'll be doing anything else tonight because I'm tired. So yeah, watch me fix up. And tonight we still have a bunch to do, but yeah, I'll figure out over here. So but awesome work, right Rory?
Yeah, just softening up the wire.
Yeah,
we intentionally wanted this look that it exposes the wire, give it a more industrial look.
Yeah, we're trying to mix up the different styles in here to get the look that we want.
And the good thing with this stance is if you want it to be hardwired into the electrical, you can also do it. So it comes with all that wiring for you to do that.
Alright guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and until the next video, bye.